Alright, tonight we're going to be doing the simple plate with sweet and sour beef with rice. This is beef with vegetables, pineapple, rice, vinegar sauce, and over the rice. Once you open up the box, it'll have the menu or the directions on how you're going to create this fantastic meal for your family. So here you'll be able to see all the ingredients and everything that is available. So grab from your pantry butter or oil, low sodium soy sauce, and brown sugar. So that's all you need for this meal. And right here will be the step-by-step directions. So we're going to go ahead and try this. And I just wanted to show you exactly what will be coming in your box. So here you'll be able to see the numbers. So here on this is just number 1 was boiling some water. So here, go ahead and look at that. So that'll be just boiling some water. So we're going to go to step number 2, and step number 2 will be able to show you, here is your number 2. So number 2, colorful plates to an always healthier mom. Super cute. Here's your green chili peppers. This is number 2. Number 2, we're going to have the garlic, all natural, non-GMO. Number 2, we're also going to be adding the shredded beef. Then number 3 will be our cornstarch. Number 4 will be the sauce mix. Oh, it looks like number 1. Sorry. Number 1 would be our white rice. And then here you'll be able to have your pineapple juice is already here. I was wondering if that did come with it, so that's super exciting. And then the rice vinegar. So everything is in the box and ready for you. So now I'm going to follow the instructions. Alright, so now the boiling water is going, and it does stay on here. It says on here that if you have the classic, you'll want to read the green area. If you have the family, you'll want to go into the orange. So it'll be a 1 cup or a 2 cup. I do have the classic, so I'm just doing the 1 cup of boiling water. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the seasoned instant white rice. And then on the edges here, they're super easy to open, so you can open those without any knife or crazy utensils to get these open. So let's get this started. Alright, now my water is actually boiling and my rice is in there, and it says to cover it for 6 minutes and then remove from heat after the simmer and let sit for 5 minutes. Now we're going to move to step 2. Alright, so starting on step 2, it says to go ahead and add some butter into the pan, and then we're going to add the garlic on medium heat. So right here will be my garlic, my pineapple, my shredded beef, my green chili peppers, and my veggie mix. So you have everything right here for you and ready to go. So I'm going to open these and put the butter in the pan. Now this does cook extremely fast, so just let that cook. And then I will open these as soon as I add my butter. Let these sit for a minute. Grab my others. Go ahead and add these into the pan. Simple and easy. I couldn't think of an easier way to do this. I've tried some of those other programs and they're not this easy. Let's grab our pineapple. Put that in there. It says to saute it for a few minutes and then go ahead and add water. So I'm going to do that now. I have my water waiting and I will put that in. Alright, so I'm going to let that go ahead and soak in the water and let that warm up for a moment. As you can tell, it's pretty quick and has a ton of flavor. The aroma is absolutely amazing and I'm excited. Alright, getting ready for step 3 while the rest of my stuff is cooking away. So step 3, you want to put this in some water and let it thicken up to be a sauce. Alright, so adding the sauce mix. This is your cornstarch and water, so let's put that in there. Next I'm going to add the pineapple juice, the rice vinegar. I'm going to add a little bit of my soy sauce and then the sauce. And then I need to do 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. So I'm going to add that now. Alright, so now I've finished step 5 and it's just going through the motions. It smells absolutely amazing. And I will go ahead and plate it up. Alright, so this is our finished plate. And this looks amazing. Hope you look forward in trying this yourself. You can look at my website down below and I'll see you on the next video. So now if you continue to do these dinners, these have little holes on the side that you can put like a cookbook and put them all together. Also, the box that it comes in does break down all into opening and breaking down into small pieces. So very little trash. You can even put a little bit of water on it and it will break down faster. Here I just wanted to show, this is quick and fast. This is seasoned white rice with all your different veggies and meats, with the cornstarch and the sauce mix, with a little bit of brown sugar, and you can do a little bit of the soy sauce, comes with the rice vinegar, and number 4 was the pineapple juice. So everything comes in your meal. Simple, easy. Throw it in the pan, add some water, and there you go. I hope to see you on the next video, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.